Kelly Barlow Creations, Crafting on a Budget. Today's video is part 2 of my chapstick video. I will be showing you how I label and personalize my chapsticks along with boxing them up if you'd like to use them as a party favor for, say, a wedding, baby shower, bridal shower, you name it. Today I will be using the Candy Box Punch Board by We Are Memory Keepers to box my chapsticks. This is a punch board that I hauled about 2 months ago, and I've had so many requests to do reviews and how-tos using these punch boards. And so I will be introducing the Candy Box one today and using it to box my chapsticks. This is a perfect way to box these chapsticks to use, like I said, for a party favor. So let's jump into it and let me show you how I label my chapsticks and how I use the We Are Memory Keepers Candy Box Punch Board. Now let me show you how to personalize these by making labels for the outside of these chapstick containers.
For these labels, I'm going to be using Avery's Return Address Labels, template number 5160. This is a free website for anybody to use. I'm going to go down and select Start Designing. And I'm going to choose a blank label so I can start from scratch. I'm going to insert an image. I've got one in my file already that I've chosen for this project, so that's the one I'm going to use. I'm going to enlarge my image to the label size. And because my image is so bright and vibrant, I'm going to use this transparency scale over here in the sidebar to lighten it up, to make it a bit more transparent. So when I add font to this label, my font doesn't get lost within the image. Now just add your text, whatever you want your label to say. Because this is a wedding label, I'll use Jeff and I's wedding date here. And I think I'll add this saying that says, 2 hearts become one. Why not? And really, that is all there is to this label. I am done, and all that's left to do is to print this out.
My labels are printed up, and you can see by measuring the label itself that it's about 2 1/4 inches long. 2 1/4 inches long is a bit too big for the chapstick container. The area in which you would label your chapstick container measures out at 1 3/4 inches. So when I cut my label, I'm gonna cut my label at 1 5/8 inches, and that will fit the chapstick bottles perfectly. Now taking some packaging tape, I'm using the packaging tape off of the dispenser because the dispenser tends to put lines in the clear tape, which I don't want. Packaging tape works perfectly for applying these labels to your chapstick containers. It's almost like laminating it and gives it that nice glossy finish. I'm gonna take my tape, I've pulled it out. Now taking one of the labels, I'm gonna take and place it face down onto the tape. There's my tape, just like so. I'm gonna give myself about a 1/2 inch of tape on each side of the label. And that's how easy it is to personalize these chapstick bottles. This year for Easter, for Allie's class, we made some Easter ones that say Happy Easter on them. How stinking cute are those? And at the bottom here, I put the ingredients of what I used in the chapsticks so the kids' parents can all see what this is made of. Aren't those stinking cute? And to make these, it costs me maybe $5 to make 32 of them. Moving on to the chapstick box, because I've gone with the wedding theme, I am using this beautiful wedding scrapbooking paper for the box. The box size that I'm gonna need using this candy box punch board is 6.5 inches long, and that size will fit a chapstick perfectly. And so because I'm going for the length first, I'm gonna make sure that my scrapbooking paper is right side up, that everything is facing the right direction. And I'm gonna go to 6.5 inches. Now the width of every box is 7 inches. There's no changing the width of these boxes because that is what the measurement is going around the box. The length can be any size you want it to be, but the width always has to be at 7 inches. Now taking the candy box punch board by We Are Memory Keepers, I absolutely love this punch board. I've been playing with it for a week and it is just easy peasy. It really is. There's not much to this at all. Taking the scrapbooking paper on the 7-inch side, I'm gonna take my scrapbooking paper and the edge of my scrapbooking paper, I'm gonna line up with this purple line that says start line. And there's also a little niche on the punch part. And very simply, I'm gonna punch, so I am left with this half diamond. I'm gonna slide my scrapbooking paper back in, and on the punch board, there's this diamond here, and I'm gonna line up my paper with the diamond and go ahead and punch again, and this is what I'm left with. At the bottom of the punch board is a scoring knife. I'm gonna take my paper, line it up with the diamond here again. Taking my scoring knife, I'm gonna score my paper here where the diamond is, just like so. If your paper is longer than the punch board that is 6.5 inches long, don't worry about that because when we punch the other side, you'll be able to finish your scoring. I'm gonna punch another diamond here, slide my paper through, place my diamond in the punch out. I'm gonna score. Punch my paper, lift my paper, slide it through, score my paper, and punch my paper again. And for the last time, pull it through and score. And this is what we're left with. I'm then going to flip my paper over so I'm on the wrong side of the paper. Here is my half diamond. We're gonna do the same thing on the back side. Starting on the purple start line, I'm gonna punch, slide it through, punch again. Now this is where, if your paper is too long, this is where you're going to continue scoring. Now I'm gonna take and fold all of my scoring lines. I'm gonna be using my advanced tape glider. It's an adhesive tape. A great alternative is this tacky glue. I like to use the clear tacky glue. This glue dries really quick and clear. You've got a side with your half diamond and you've got a side with your full diamond. On the side where your full diamond is, you've scored. It's a piece that measures out at about 1/2 inch. And on our 1/2 inch side, I'm gonna add some tape or glue right along this edge. I'm gonna take my half diamond side and fold it over, giving us this box. Taking a piece of twine, I'm gonna wrap my twine where my diamond punch outs are. Now taking some of this paper shred that Dollar Tree carries, I had this on hand already. I'm gonna place this inside my box. Isn't that so stinking easy? And look at the outcome. By just using an amazing scrapbooking paper, look at how stinking cute that is. And tell me, this is not the perfect party favor. This would look absolutely beautiful at a wedding on each of the place settings. In the colors of your wedding, the possibilities are endless. You can decorate this as elegant as you'd like or as rustic and farmhouse as you'd like. And these are so inexpensive to make. And for a baby shower, even better. You could even do a gender reveal party with these and have the color of the shredded paper inside of this and color the chapstick. Well, everybody, that's all I have for you for today on how I personalize and label my chapsticks and boxing them with the We Are Memory Keepers Candy Box Punch Board. That punch board is amazing. I love it. Not only is it fun to use, but it is quick and easy. Please give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, stick around a while by clicking that red button for more crafting on a budget videos to come. And if you click it again when the bell appears, YouTube will notify you when I'm uploading a new video. You can also follow me on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, Google+, and Twitter. You can find those links in the description box below. Just click on those links, click follow, and you'll also be notified through social media when I'm uploading a new video or just doing something fun. You can also find my P.O. box in the description box below as well if you're interested in sending me mail and watching me open it up in a video. And don't forget, if I've inspired you to make one of my projects, snap a quick picture of it, send it to me on either Facebook or Instagram, because I love seeing all of your creations and I can feature them in an upcoming video. Until next time, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day, happy crafting on a budget, and bye for now, everybody.